थैंक यू जनरल कुरुक्षेत्र जी। मलाई मलाई तो आप खा गए हैं, हमारे हिस्से में आई है छाछ, वो भी 2 चम्मच। Gentlemen on the dais, ladies and gentlemen, myself J.S. Sisodia, Civil Services of J&K Government, retired as Deputy Director, Social Welfare Department, Jammu and Kashmir Government. I would like to thrust upon some of the views. What is national security, perception, and where will it end? Nowadays, we see in the present polity is not so good. We would have to be vigilant and alert to save the nation. Statesmen seek for the next generation, whereas now a politician seeks for the next election. And that too on the ineptness, on the corruption, without any professional thoroughness and penetrating eyes. And I am also going on that topic too. That will be deliberated on. There are instances of regular change of President Zardari of Pakistan in the hope show at the Indo-Pakistan border has renewed the old Pakistan war cry of 1,000 years. But with India, while addressing the MLA Azad Kashmir Assembly, Kashmir was his obsession. And there was no question of it being put on the back burner. Although in the last year spoken of putting Kashmir on the back burner, in the tele interview soon after taking over as President of Pakistan, a year on his being clipped by the Supreme Court of Pakistan, Zardari case returned to anti-India rhetoric. It becomes a political necessity. You see, 1,015 crores of Indian people are being threatened by 15 crores of Pakistanis, and due to our bigotist. Now we can see the security report of Pakistan in the year 2009, which has been prepared by Pakistan Institute of Peace Studies, an independent think tank. In the institute to release detailed informative report of the terrorism-related activities in the neighboring countries, it makes the following points very clear as under. A total of 2,586 terrorist, insurgent and sectarian-related incidents that killed 3,025 people and injured 7,334 people. Highest number of attacks in the northwest frontier province, 1,137, followed by Balochistan, 792, and the Federal Administrative Tribal Area, 559. Sindh 30, Islamabad 50, 10 attacks in the occupied Kashmir, and 5 each in the Gilgit and Balochistan. And the so-called North Kashmir overall casualties, 12,632 people dead, 5,815 injured. If the casual terrorist attack, operational attacks by the security forces and their clashes with the militants, entitled clash and cross-border attacks of the United States and NATO forces in the Fatah are counted, increase in the attacks despite a persistent counter-terrorism policy followed by the military attack, despite a precedent which can also be described as a desperate reaction by the terrorists to successful military operation in Swat and South Waziristan. Frequent and indiscriminate use of suicide bombing by the terrorists who opted to strike off sharp target like Islamic University. Okay. Now, time is very short. I would like to say only a few words. Unfortunately, uncertain wisdom of policymakers in the Northeast communicating price in the opposite lesson, violence does not pay. And after it stops paying, after it has paid enough to create incentive or retirement or exactly certain surrenders can be made to as well. It is high time that at least a part of counter-terrorism establishment in the country actually created itself from the imperative of the moment and crisis of a new day to make a historic reprisal of what we have been doing to clearly document our success and failures, to identify the fundamentalists that must guide future policies and initiatives. Thank you, gentlemen.